Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Life with Nicole, Marie, and Gary. Today, you guys, I'm going to be trying this gluten-free cauliflower crust pizza from Walmart. It is a medium, and it is a Margarita pizza. Fire roasted tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, basil on a gluten-free cauliflower crust. I'm also going to be doing a review on Taste of South fried pickle and ranch dip made with natural sour cream and chopped dill pickles. So let's go ahead and get her unwrapped on the pan and cooking and started. Okay, you guys, so I got it up here on my baking sheet. It's got fresh mozzarella and some more cheese, fire roasted tomatoes. So let's get her in the oven. Okay, you guys, I am back. For everyone that's new to the channel, welcome, and for everyone that keeps coming back, thank you so much. We do appreciate you guys. I wanted to get that in. So this is the Margarita pizza, and then of course we have the fried pickle dip. To pair it, I have these chips as well. So let's get a thumbnail real quick, you guys. I did open this container. Did open it, so maybe we should do it this way. How are y'all doing? I hope you're all doing well. We are in a severe winter storm watch. It's nothing new. It's North Dakota. All right, something like that. That ought to work. And these chips are kettle style. They're fire roasted hatch chili corn tortilla chips. All right, so this video is all about review. So everything that I purchased that you see here is from my local Walmart. So this right here, the dip you can find in the deli section where your hummus is. That's where I found mine. I don't know, maybe it might be different for you guys depending on where you're located at, but that's where I found it. I found it over in the deli section where the hummus is, and in those places. Now I gotta try to open up this bag of chips. Are you serious? Not my normal way of opening chips. But okay. We're going for it. So the cauliflower crust Margarita pizza from Walmart. The chips. And they look like they have a good amount of seasoning on them. Never tried any of this before. Let's go ahead. They say that this has got fried dill pickles in it. Oh. Honey, you want to try it? That's dangerous. I do know, watching other reviews, that Costco has this kind of dip over there. I've seen Costco. I've been to Costco. Y'all, they have a huge thing of that over there. I didn't buy it because I know me. Margarita pizza. Oh, I didn't lose it. Mmm. Mm-hmm. And you already know. Let's give it a try. Mm. Mm-hmm. There ain't no meat on the pizza. It's just the mozzarella, fire roasted tomatoes. I believe basil. Oh yeah. It's flicking delicious, y'all. Cheers. Cerveza on deck. That is good. And these chips here too. These chips. Whoops. These are good here too. They'd be great. It's not spicy. How do you like yours?
Good.
His was, what was it, bacon?
Yeah.
Had bacon, and then Gary's trying their their ham salad with Keebler crackers. It's dinner time here for us. It's evening. It's about 20 after 5 p.m. Woo. Care what anybody says. That's good right there. I like that cauliflower crust. It's a thin crust. Not gonna hold you up much more longer. I just wanted to come over here and share the experience for a tad second. I recommend all of it. Thank you for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next video, take care, stay blessed, stay safe. Stay safe out there if you're in this bad weather. All right, bye y'all.